Hey everybody, this is Andre with Garage Door Guidance again. Had a very quick video for you today. Just wanted to show you how to remove this trolley part, and that is, this is a trolley on a Chamberlain chain-driven garage door opener purchased from Home Depot. The majority of the ones you purchase from Home Depot, whether it be a chain or a belt drive from Chamberlain, is going to have a trolley piece that looks very similar, or if not exactly the same. So just want to do a video on how to replace this part. It's a very quick and easy video, and I have that part linked down below, as well as a link to our website where you can find all kinds of other parts for your garage door opener or garage door. So if you want to, check that out. Let's just jump right into it. As of right now, obviously it's not attached to a garage door, as you can tell down below. So super easy. Obviously, if it is attached to your garage, just take that off, and so that you have the arm free. You could even remove it from here to make it a little easier. So let me go ahead and actually just do that. I'm gonna take that arm out completely, and that's just done by removing the pin like so. So set that down. And so now I'm just left with the trolley piece itself. Now, a couple reasons why you might need to replace this is because the plastic part or the metal itself actually gets bent. And so the way you replace this is you just go at sort of an angle, and it just slides right off just like that. Super simple, super easy. And the reason, like I was saying, the reason you might need to replace this is because that little plastic piece right in here, that plastic part, is what catches into the trolley that moves along this, and it'll prevent it from, if it's broken, it won't catch it and then your door won't move. Or this whole piece gets bent and that prevents it from catching on as well, or it just keeps falling off. So again, got that linked below. Just pick one up, or if you have an extra one, all you do is you go in sideways like so, clip it back onto the rail, and that's pretty much it. If this is the part you're actually looking to replace, rather than that one there, I will do a video of this as well, where I've already done it, and it's down in the description also. So this will be the carriage replacement. So yeah, that's pretty much it in terms of replacing the trolley on a pre-bought opener, meaning Home Depot or Lowe's, Costco, whatever. The Chamberlains all pretty much have this same trolley piece, so it should be the same exact process. If you liked the video, if that helped at all, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions for me, just leave it in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.